Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's the 24th of October 2016, and we have a nice weather pattern here that I was able to work with a little bit. As we can see, there's the Schrodinger pattern there. I mean, you can't really see it very well, but here's what I did first. I did this alignment with just the crater here, like this, and you can see the weather fits there pretty well inside there. Look at that. Look at this crater here where the big spot is there. Basically, I wanted to get that in place somewhat, and I wanted to get this look like it went right in this little spot, and this curve always, Anyways, you can't really tell if it's, you can't really confirm that by looking at that. But then, there is a way to confirm it. You take a full picture of the lunar south pole, and just aligning this the way I did, this is exactly how I did this. I didn't go back and forth or anything. I just put this down like this. Was happy with it. I mean, I did move this picture around a little bit till I got it in the place I wanted it, of course. And then I brought up a picture of the lunar south pole, full picture. And I'm not saying it's aligned right over the top exactly the same, because I just started on it. It's actually turned a little bit, but look at the weather. Look at the weather fit. I mean, I haven't even adjusted this to, I'm sure it'll fit better. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty nice. You don't get the Google Earth weather to fit the lunar south pole very well, very often. And that's a good one. That is a really good one. Because I had no idea what this was going to turn out like when I put this here. I just, I put the other picture. I was going to do this picture first, actually. Probably would have been easier, but I just brought it up as confirmation. I just thought the other one would have more detail, and this is pretty cool because it puts this like dark spot right by this undersea volcano in this area as well. I'm gonna try a little bit of adjustment, just a little bit. Oh, my weather's. Hold on. What about my weather here? I don't think I should move it too much. Maybe I shouldn't move it at all. I think it was just fine. Wait, right about there. Because I was trying to get around this one right here. So there we go. This was a pole spot at one time. That's what that's showing you. That weather's showing you. This used to be a pole of the Earth in this area somewhere right here. Weather. And you can probably see something. Maybe it does turn a little bit that way. Actually, it does look like it would fit better if I turned it a little bit. But you see what I'm saying? It fits there. That's what it is. All I seen was this part first, and just lined. I knew that this part right here. I've seen that before many times. Just this curved part right here, that comes to a point. I don't know how many times. I can't tell you how many times I've seen that exact same pattern in the weather all over the planet. That's a Schrodinger print right there. And that's why there's cyclonic weather there right at this very moment. If we go to null school, it'll be there. Something right there. It was more in the center. Earlier today, it was right in the center of the big circular pattern. Oh, there it goes. See it? Anyways, just wanted to point that out. Have a good night, good morning, good day.